If something hits me, if something makes me jump out of the bed, I have to say yes to it. It's up to you. What do you want? Are you happy and content with standing with the hero and getting the fame that you're getting? That is also fine. Don't get me wrong. That is also perfect. Whatever makes you happy. But that doesn't make me happy, at least Abhi.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You are tuned to peepingmoon.com and welcome to our new series, The Rising Stars of 2021. Now, if we have to talk about the rising star, to sum it up in as simple words, it has to be someone, a performance which you cannot ignore, an actor who is there to watch out for, and someone who's equally fun on and off camera to spill all the beans. Who better than Radhika Manan to make you laugh through one of our very first episodes? Hello, Radhika.
Hi, what's up? Thank you
All
so much
good.
for your lovely introduction.
Anytime. Radhika, first of all, congratulations for entering into 2021 safe, sound,
Thank you.
and
Thank you. Yeah.
making it through. But why am I congratulating you is because if in 2020 one thing was constant was your shairi. Can you please tell me the inspiration, how you managed to do that? Like, please, कौन है इसके पीछे?
Shadi?
Shairi, the shairi of yours.
Shadi, because my best friend also got married. So I thought you were talking about that. मैंने बोला कौन है वही दोनों हैं इसके पीछे मेरा क्या शायरी I think लॉकडाउन में I think सबके साथ ही ऐसा हुआ था कि जहाँ पर आपको काफी टाइम मिल रहा था खुद के साथ स्पेंड करने का एंड उसके अंदर यार बस हल्का फुल्का इधर उधर निकल गया और क्या दैट इज इट
But you know, that's a very fun side of yours, which was not always out there. We all knew you were fun. Your characters are completely contrast of what you are. So we'll kickstart from that, right from the debuts in your film. What is it with you and your characters? I mean, this is Radhika, but what we see on screen is is of course it's an extension. It's beautiful. It's different. But does it always make a conscious effort on your part that I have to pick something which is not exactly me, which you know has to be somewhat different from my very own self?
I think as an actor I think when I ask myself that why do I enjoy acting or why did I become an actor, I feel that there's something inside that tells me that because I'm not content with one life. So I like living different lives and I get bored with one life. So I get bored with Radhika's life. That's the reason I choose lives which are really different. So I consciously try to not repeat my characters. So if you'll see, Badki is very different from Supri. Supri is really different from Tarika. And Kartika, the girl I'm playing in Shidda, she's very different from all the three. It's because I just get bored. That is the only answer that I can give it to you. That is the only answer. I don't want to live two lives. साथ में.
but but Radhika, as an actor, do you think that today, if we call it like this current year, this current phase, is one of the best times to be in? We have three biggest platforms running simultaneously, or at least we could talk about the OTT and cinema for sure, and of course, TV has always been there. The content is going through a massive change. You talk about the way it is presented to where the stories are being told, the characters are being written. Like Vidya Balan once discussed with me that how it's no longer the actress or the woman centric. It's the character.
Yeah.
It's the role which pulls you. Even if the film is centered on say gender wise on an actress or a female centric character. Do you think this is the best time to be in the showbiz as of now?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Because there are so many platforms I think there are so many jobs. So जो actors complain करते थे कि अरे हमें कौन cast करेगा और हमें तो अच्छा actor निकाल बोल के निकाल देते हैं और एक खुद दूसरे actor को ले लेते हैं and all of that. अब अगर हम OTT का बात करें तो people are opting for that. वो बोल रहे भाई हमें stars नहीं चाहिए, हमें actors लाके दो. तो उनकी जो कंप्लेन थी वो पूरी हो चुकी है. वो कह रहे कि हाँ अब हमें मौका मिलेगा. So I think that is something that is beautiful because now everyone is getting work. There are so many writers, so many scripts just hanging out, and I am happy that everyone is working. Whoever I know, they're like, हाँ मैं ये show कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो show कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये movie कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो movie कर रहा हूँ. मैंने बोला सही है यार. पहले तो ऐसा होता था ना कि अरे हमें कहाँ लेंगे, हम कौन है. So I think that is gone now. So it's beautiful. And plus we've gotten so much of exposure to international cinema as well. तो अब हमें मुझे लगता है कि हम अब बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते कोई एवरेज चीज. अब हमें लगता है कि मैं टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा, तो हम फॉरवर्ड कर देते हैं. उसी की वजह से ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे गेम अप हुई है स्क्रिप्ट लेवल पे भी, एंड आगे और होगी. एंड फॉर एन एक्टर दैट इज समथिंग दैट इज रियली रियली एक्साइटिंग.
So your Radhika game to if OTT happens by chance out of blue, or if a film of yours even drops on an OTT, you're okay with that?
Of course, Angrezi dropped on OTT, so I am okay with that.
I was one of the lucky few who saw it in theater, so for me
Oh,
to
you
watch
saw
it
it
in
in theater?
theater.
It was there for one day. So,
The first show, I remember the press show, that was one of the best ones. We were all hoping at that. I think we got lucky to see the last film.
Congratulations. Yeah.
But yeah, like jokes apart, if OTT happens to you, will you predominantly select it for a web series or for a film? Or again, as we are coming back to the basic, for the story, for the character, it can be any length, it can be any way it is presented.
Character, for sure. I won't even think about it. I won't even think about the length. I won't even think about, अच्छा ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. I think that is too cerebral for me. So I can't use my brains. If something hits me, if something makes me jump out of the bed, I have to say yes to it. It needs to scare me. It needs to jump. It needs to make me jump out of the bed, and that is it. That is it. My team just asks me that, okay, what do you think? And we should think about this. Man, we should stop thinking and we should just do it. So that is something that I really believe in. My instinct needs to say yes. So definitely the character. There are a few things that is gonna come on OTT. So I can't announce it right now, but few very exciting things are happening. I hope I get to announce it soon, very soon.
Lovely. Radhika, sum up, how's 2021 looking for you? If I have to ask you, I know it's a little too early, but what are the projects at least we can talk about which are on board officially? We can discuss with you.
I don't think we can talk about anything officially yet, but 2021 is busy. Like I am shooting for at least 3 projects. So in 2020, I've already shot for 3 projects, and in 2021, I'm shooting 3 more. So I'm really grateful and really fortunate to say this to you. And yeah, so 2021 is going to be exciting. That is all I can say. Different things coming up, different flavors coming up. So and I am excited. I hope I get to entertain you all as much as I can.
Lovely. Radhika, this is a question which has roamed around for almost last 1 year to every person I have spoken to, predominantly. Um, are we at a stage where, without bringing anyone down per se, if I have to quote it, it's time for actors? We are not looking for stardom.
I second that. I really believe that, and I've been saying this for the past 2 years, 3 years. I have been saying this. It is time for actors. नहीं है किसी के पास इतनी patience कि वो कुछ like how I told you, why are the length of even short films getting decreased. It's because our patience is going with every passing year. And especially millennials वगैरह की तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. Reels are for like 5-10 seconds. So we have that amount of attention span. So that's the reason कि अगर कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं दिखेगा तो पहले जो हम देखते रहते थे 3-3 घंटे मौके देते रहते थे क्योंकि attention span ज्यादा था. Because हमारा attention span कम हो गया है, अब we won't allow that. We'll change it. We just need to press a button and we'll see something else, which has received a lot of awards, uh, which is great. We know that that project is great. We always hear that, right? We knew that Dark is good and Money Heist is amazing and all of that. So Crown is fab. Oh, have you seen the 4th season? So now we are aware about all of that. So would you see a cliched Bollywood film for 2.5 hours, or would you see Crown season 4? So that is the difference right now. So it is time to up our game. It is time to give the audience something that we have not given them before. It's time to take them seriously. And it's time for change.
Lovely. And Radhika, before we move to a fun segment, one more thing. When we talk about actress, even just as a term, the predominantly which an image which has always been associated with an actress, I think even that is evolving. It was looks. I remember always there used to be discussion. अरे चार scene, दो गाने, कुछ dialogues, ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, वैसा दिखना चाहिए, इतना ही part होगा, इतना ही poster में जगह होगा. Do you think as an actress today also that in the youngest most generation who are changing the narrative of how a cinema is supposed to look like, we are also finally bringing the very conscious change? I know change has been happening, but now I can see rapidly. It's even an actress of your age is not limited to play a central character. I can see people who are happily playing a cousin sister till the time the role is as juicy as it gets and you get to steal the show. Do you think now even as youngsters you make those conscious choices as well again that let's make a difference? If nothing else, we can definitely break that particular wall or mirror image sort of which has been made.
It actually depends what you want there. I know some people who are happy doing a 15-minute role in a film with, great, with stars. And they want their career to go that way. It's fine. But personally, I would want a meteor role. I would want a juicier role. I for now, I don't see myself standing just being a sidey to a hero. Why? What am I adding to that? And why would I do that? I have magazine covers to look good. I have my Instagram where I can post my photo shoot pictures and all of that. So why would I invest so much of my time and energy just to look good and to just clap for the hero? Why would I do that? I'm a really selfish actor. Oh, when it comes to my work, I want something which is me. I beg the producer, I tell them that, I can do it. Just trust me, just give it to me. I'm really hungry. So that is something. So as I told you, it's up to you. What do you want? Are you happy and content with standing with the hero and getting the fame that you're getting? That is also fine. Don't get me wrong. That is also perfect. Whatever makes you happy. But that doesn't make me happy, at least Abhi.
That's as honest. Trust me, that is one thing I think which goes with you. I can expect honest answers. There is no beating around the bush. You tell me as it is. So we before we wrap it, we have some really fun questions which we have curated, but there is only one rule. The answers have to be fun, and the answers mainly you try and have to feature only new people as your answers.
Okay.
Don't go into Ritik's and Charukh's and until and unless if it's needed. That we are not going to let you go easily. And
Okay.
for the benefit of doubt, I'll open the Hollywood gate for you also. So you
Okay,
can
thank
pick
you.
an Hollywood youngster if you have to.
Thank
What is the latest celeb crush from this current generation?
you. This current generation, uh, I really respect Siddhant's work. So work-wise, it can be called as that.
Point one given. Okay. With which newbies would you like to kiss, hook up, and marry?
Do I have options?
Kiss, hook up, and marry. That's it. Fill
So,
in the blanks.
so I need to tell you the names.
Yeah.
Can you open the Hollywood gate for me?
For kiss, pick any name. For hookup, pick any name. Pick marry. For marry, pick any name. Okay, for you, to make it easy, you can pick up from Hollywood and Bollywood also. But try
Okay,
and focus on young guns.
so I think I'm a so kiss, hook up, and marry, right? So I'm a one-man woman, so I think I'm gonna kiss, hook up, and marry Ryan Gosling. So where is it? एक ही शिद्दत वाला प्यार शिद्दत what a plugin guys, what a plugin, so subtle.
Got it. Okay. Which Bollywood newbie would you like to share the gossip with, the industry gossip?
I hate gossiping. I can't gossip, and my family disowns me for that.
Okay. Which newbie looks like a snack?
Looks like a snack. A lot of wait, let me see. Can I just say Kareena Kapoor Khan, because she's well, she must be 39, 40, but she still looks like a snack. So she's as new.
Okay, I'll give it to you. I like the fact that you picked an actress. Like,
Yeah.
rather than picking up a guy, you picked up an actress. So I'm anyhow giving you the point for that.
Awesome.
Okay. One newbie you genuinely wish wasn't dating.
Everyone is dating, right? Everyone from our generation is dating. So I don't want to steal anybody's anything. That's okay.
It's a hypothetical game. Come on. It's like,
I don't wish for anything. No, no.
okay, let's go to Hollywood then. यहाँ घर पे नहीं चलते. Let's go to
Ryan
Hollywood.
Gosling है, मैं वो नया हूँ पुराना, मैं तो उसके बच्चे हैं. I know that. I'm sorry guys, but I don't. It's fine. I don't mind. Yeah, so Ryan Gosling.
Okay. Cheesiest pickup line you would use on a actor if you have to.
Cheesiest. I think I'm
Don't-
going to use a filmy line, either from DDLJ or I think the cheesiest line that I would use is if he's at a bar or anything like that, that palach. So yeah, I think that is what I'm going to do. It's just in my blood. I can't help it. He'll probably look at me and be like,
I somehow think Radhika would be making a secret reel and putting on social media with a Bollywood anecdote and saying, guess who? Who's the crush? and the hilarious one. Which actor are you secretly stalking? To not get you on the embarrassed mode, give me a new actor's name. You're secretly stalking.
secretly stalking. Like so recently I was told that Aditya Roy Kapoor is on social media, and I was like, no, he's not. And then I, like, all the ladies, they just took out their phone and like, look at this picture and all of that. So I was just thinking that kya hai? I was just looking at all the pictures. So I think last year जब हम group बना के हमने किसी की profile देखी है, that is Aditya Roy Kapoor. So not stalking, but discussing things. But of course, he's a very good-looking man. So
Okay. And if you were managing a social media profile of any actor, which would that be and why? If Radhika Madan was managing a social media profile.
I won't be very good at it. So I'm not that great at it. Wait, so like I've been told that we need to manage yours. So yeah, so I'm not the right person. But if somebody would hire me, I think it'll probably be Sanya, because जो अपने परिवार वाले होते हैं ना, वैसे होते हैं ना कि अपनी माँ को अपनी बेटी में कोई कमियां नहीं दिखती. So Sanya might just feel the same way that मेरी बहन है, उसको क्या है, राधिका तो राधिका है. So I'll get saved. I'll earn and I'll be saved there. So Sanya.
Okay. And the last is an actor you are wishing to work with next. Channel all the energies, only new names. And it can be also an actor who is yet to make a debut as well.
Only new names?
Only new names, and an actor who is yet to make an official debut as well. So you have proper options here.
I would like to work with Siddhant or Karthik. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Hit. Very good.
Hit picture. But thank you, Radhika. It's never a dull moment when you are on camera. As I've said in the beginning, you keep it as it is, legit unfiltered. There are zero filters here. I don't know if you're taking inspiration from your very own idol, Karina. She also keeps it like no filters. It's always so fun, full of laughs. But wishing you all the best. I'm
Thank you
hoping
so
by the
much.
time we air this, we have more announcements to celebrate it, and nothing better than having an awesome 2021.
Thank you so much.